Hi, welcome back. Today we're making beef preparation and marination. I'll be teaching you the dry rub, garlic and herb marinade and a wet marinade called beef SALPICAO. These are the ingredients that you will need for the garlic and herb dry rub marinade. First, you need to prepare your beef. I am using sirloin cut. Usually when you buy sirloin cut here in the Philippines, the cut is quite thin. It's for bistec Tagalog. So what you need to do is to separate the pieces and make sure to slice it into strips. And before you slice it, make sure to check for the grain. You need to cut across the grain. If you do not cut properly, it has the tendency to make your beef slices really tough. Okay, so once we have determined a grain direction, we are now going to cut across it. Finish cutting all through the half kilo of meat and then you're good to go. 4 garlic and herb, you just need to mix the different spices you will use. I use rosemary and thyme, some olive oil, garlic, and salt and pepper. Use gloves and massage everything into your beef. Keep in mind that you need to heavily salt this so that it will absorb into your beef, and also you need to crush the dry herbs a little bit with your hands before you rub them together. This will produce more aromas. After that, put it in an airtight container and don't forget to label. You can freeze these up to 6 months in your freezer. Just thaw it completely before using. Next, we are now doing the garlic salpicao. Prepare your beef similarly as the one earlier, so make sure to cut across and make strips or cubes depending on your preference. Following this, we just mix in our marinade, our wet marinade in a separate bowl so that you can mix it all together before you put in your marinade, or you can just put it directly since we don't need to dissolve anything into this marinade. Alright, so we add the garlic first, our soy sauce, our Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, and give it a mix. Make sure to massage the marinade all throughout your meat so that it seeps well through. Keep this in the chiller for about 1 to 4 hours before usage or before you put it in the freezer for longer keeping. This can keep up to 6 months in your freezer. Alright, there you have it, our beef salpicao. I hope you've enjoyed these beef marinade mixtures. You can mix and match with your different meats. I hope you try it yourself. Thank you. Bye.